My name is Brittany. I am an online puppy trainer. I work with puppy owners all over the world to help them go from feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, out of routine with owning a new puppy to a place where they're fully confident in their puppy's behavior. They can trust their puppy 100% in every situation so that they can focus less on like the stress and overwhelm and worry and that comes with owning a new puppy and more on why they got their puppy in the first place, which is to build their bond and companionship. The challenge in my business that made me want to create an online program was that honestly, I just wasn't making a lot of money. And so it was kind of, I hit a wall where I was like, all right, I either have to like go back to being a certified or like a veterinary technician and working in the animal hospital, or I have to do something to make this work, which obviously I wanted to make this work. And so that's what led me to Sunny's program. And I'm really glad I did that. But that was kind of the first thing, is just that I was hitting a wall with I had two options at that point. And then the other thing is I had just recently had a baby when I joined Sunny. And so I knew that I didn't want to be like strapped to one-on-one calls, and I wanted more freedom while also still being able to help people. The AA program positively impacted my business because I'm now able to work with clients all over the world, which obviously would not be the case if I was working with people in person or one-on-one. And so I'm able to, talk to people at all walks of life, different places in the world. And then I'm also able to have more time freedom. So my daughter is only in daycare part-time right now. I've made over 6 figures already this year. So I'm able to do all of that because of the AA program when I definitely would not have been able to do it before. Some tangible results I have achieved in the AA program are I've made 6 figures just this year. It's only October. And I have now over 100 puppy training clients that I work with every single day. I have also been had more visibility for my brand. So people have been reaching out to me, and I've had easier lead generation in the sense that people are now coming to me and seeing me as the authority instead of me having to kind of chase clients, which is what I was doing before I joined the program. I would tell somebody that was considering investing in Sunny's program to just stop thinking about it and do it, because for me personally, my fiance husband now was not on the same page. He was like, we're in debt. This isn't something we can do. And I was like, well, it's either that or I go back to a 9-to-5 job. And I really don't want to do that. So I just had to invest in myself and make the decision, I'm going to do all the work. I know it works. I'm going to make it work. And it has worked a lot. So that would be my biggest advice, is just go for it. Put your limiting beliefs aside and do the work, and it will work.